just what you'd expect inside her new Balenciaga vibe. Romance turned dreams into an empire. Self-made success, now she rolls with Rockefellers. Cigarettes in tiny